woman hurling hurtful and racist remarks at a couple and their children.
And sadly became a victim of racism. Today, she
rasisme terhadap mahasiswa asal
Unjuk rasa
Papua
ini memprotes
Eu nunca he pensado tanto de poder sair de aqui, porque se salgo de aqui, estou dando todo o...
More than 120,000 workers from minority ethnic backgrounds have quit their jobs because of racism. Suggests a landmark study that has found workplace discrimination is sapping the confidence of a large part of the UK workforce. 41% of black and minority workers in the UK are suffering racism on the job.
That's not true.
So, what's your name?
My name is Silva.
Okay, Silva. So, I have a couple questions about racism. Okay. First question is, can jokes be racist?
In my opinion, jokes can be racist if the person that takes the joke does not take that as a joke, but take that as a racist thing. So, yes, jokes can be racist if the person thinks that it's racist.
Okay. Next question is, can racism affect someone's mental health?
Yes, racism can affect someone's mental health because if you do it too often, then that person will felt like something is wrong with their mental health because they're doing it oftenly. So yes, racism can affect someone's mental health.
Okay. Okay. Next question is, what we can do if someone's being racist?
What can we do if someone's being racist is that we can talk to that person so that we can have a conversation with that person that being racist, that racist is not a good thing to do and it has to stop, because racist is not a good thing, so we cannot do it because it will affect someone's mental health.
Yes.
Okay,
next, yes. Have you ever seen or experienced racism? How did it feel if you have experienced?
I actually never felt racism, but I live in Bali, where I became a minority in there, where I see a lot of people doing something that I did not usually do, so I felt like I'm different. But they don't do a racist thing to me, but I felt different, so I felt like I'm a different person. So yes and no, so I don't really felt so I didn't really get the racism, but I felt that.
Okay. This last question is, are babies born racist, or do they learn it from others?
For me, babies does not born as a racist because baby needs to learn from other people. So it depends on the surrounding. It depends on the environment the babies were born in. So yeah, the baby does not born racist. It's because of the people surrounding them.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, good afternoon. What's your name?
Good afternoon. My name is Gina. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Gina. I will ask you 5 questions about racism.
Yes.
Okay. The first question is, do you think racism is still a big problem in today's world?
In my opinion, racism is still a big problem today. Even though things have improved, discrimination still happens in many areas like jobs or educations, and sometimes it's obvious, but other times it's more stubble.
Okay, why racism make it harder for some people to get jobs?
Some job indirectly prefer lighter skin, especially in entertainment or in customer service. But skin color has nothing to do without skill, because beauty standard or darker, lighter skin people get some fewer opportunities like that.
Okay. What can companies do to make workplace fair for all race?
Companies should hire people based on their skill and or pay fairly, offer diversity training, and enforce anti-discrimination rules because a fair workplace help everyone.
How do you think a person feels when they face racism again and again?
Facing racism repeatedly can make people feel frustrated, hurt, and powerless. It makes their confidence low.
Okay. The last question, what effects does racism have on a person's physical and mental health?
Racism can make persons stressed and depressed at the same time because it makes them feel unwelcome and unacceptable.
Okay, that's it. Thank you for your time for interview with me.
Okay, thank you so much for having me.
Bye.
Hello, what is your name?
Hello, my name is Felita.
I have a question about racism and I have 5 questions for you. First question is, what does racism mean to you?
Racism means the unfair treatment of people based on their race or ethnicity, often stemming from stereotypes or prejudice. It manifests in systemic inequalities, base attitude, and discriminatory behavior, all of which undermine human dignity and equality.
Okay, next. Can racism affect someone's mental health?
Of course, racism can significantly impact someone's mental health. Experiencing racial discrimination or prejudice can lead to feelings of anxiety, depression, stress, and low self-esteem. It can also cause long-term emotional trauma, impacting overall well-feeling.
Okay, next question. How can parents teach kids not to be racist?
Parents can teach their kids not to be racist by fostering an environment of respect, kindness, and open-minded. They can encourage children to celebrate differences, provide diverse role models, and engage in discussion about equality and fairness.
Okay, next question. How can talking to people from different backgrounds help to stop racism?
Talking to people from different backgrounds can help break down stereotypes and build empathy. It fosters understanding and allows individuals to see the humanity in others. Challenging preconceived notions, this conversation create opportunity for personal growth and reduce fear of the unknown, making it harder for racism to reside.
Okay, last question is, what effects does racism have on a person's physical and mental health?
Racism can have serve effect on both physical and mental health. Mentally, it can cause stress, anxiety, depression, and a sense of alienation. Physically, the stress from racism has been linked to higher blood pressure, cardiovascular issue, and chronic health condition due to the long-term impact of dealing with this discrimination.
Okay, that's all. Thank you for your answer.
Yeah,
Thank you.
My pleasure.